Hi, welcome to Alex Smart Home. I'm here today to show you how our smart homes works, and I'm going to bring you to the tour visit of smart home. Let's follow us to join Alex Smart Home tour house. Okay. Here we are going to introduce our auto gate, which our auto gate will be opened via voice command. You can control via your apps as well. Alexa, open auto gate. This is how our auto gate works. Okay, now we are in Alex Smart Home. Okay, let me show you how our Alex Smart Home works and other applicants works. Come, let's go together. This is our smart door lock. This smart door lock works with fingerprint and also works with password. Even it can be your key also. Let's come in. Once you come in, if you realize the light has been turned on for you, this we call as automation. So let's come in. Hey Siri, I'm home. If you see here, with one group command, all the applicants work together. Example, turn on the fan, the aircon turn on, the night curtain will be open for you. This is how a group commands work with using a Siri. Let me show you another part which you can connect all the applicants in our home. This can be your smart TV can be connected in our smart home app. So I show you how it works. Hey Siri, turn on Sony TV.
Got it.
You see, you can connect your smart TV in our smart home. I will show you another thing how we can cast CCTV in your smart TV. Okay Google, stream AutoGate camera on living room TV.
Alright, streaming the AutoGate camera on living room TV.
You see, you can connect and view your CCTV in your smart TV. This is how our Alex Smart Home works together. Even you can switch off the TV by voice command also. Hey Siri, turn off Sony TV.
Done.
It's done for you. Is that so helpful? Yeah. Come, let's go together with view another parts of our smart home. Now we are in our dry kitchen, and also over there is wet kitchen. Now I show you how our automation works in wet and dry kitchen. When they detect people moving, automatically the lights will be turned on, then you will get an Alexa feedback also. This is how the automation in dry kitchen and wet kitchen works together. Okay, another smart function here is when I tell goodbye, all our applicants will be turned off and the curtains will be closed down for you. And one more thing is which interesting is the alarm will be active for you. How the alarm active? Within 30 seconds you have to leave your home, the alarm will be active. And also, if someone come inside your house during you are not here, what you will get? You will get a notification via Telegram, and also the siren will be active. Now I show you. Hey Siri, bye bye. Thank you.
Turn on entrance lights, please.